Alright, so Monday morning, I'm here at the storage unit. I'm gonna unload some stuff that I accumulated late last week and over the weekend. Shooting another video, so gotta unload this stuff. And then today, we're gonna be painting the drywall that got hung, mudded, and taped on Friday. So, a little bit of work today, and then tomorrow we're starting a new mold job. Should close. I mean, he texted me over the weekend that it was going to, so just waiting on final payment for that, or the initial deposit for that. So lots of stuff this week. Let's get into it. Got paint on the walls. It looks really, really good. Super happy with how it came out. The funny part is the closet that I painted, I don't even think that closet ever had any other paint other than primer on it. Because the drywall guys, they threw on some drywall primer. So it's primer that you put on fresh drywall. And it matched everything. Like, I almost didn't need to paint.